channel. Today I'm working on a 97 BMW 318i with a little 1.9 4-cylinder in it. I'll lady it. Owned the car since it was new and overheated it. I took the head off and it was about 20 thousandths out, warped, and so I got a new head off of eBay. And this first part of the video here just showing me it didn't come with cams, so I had to swap my cams over from my existing head. And that's what this video today is going to be about. So let's get with it. I'm putting tension on them to where they're slightly down on your number 1 and your number 3. You want to have slight tension on that as well. And then you just want to take your number 2 cap and your number 4 cap. Nut started on there. Another thing you need to make sure of is go ahead and prop the head up on something, because as you're tightening down these cams, you're actually going to be pushing the valves out slightly, and you don't want it flat on the surface to damage one of your valves. Go ahead and bring these down just till they get a little bit of tension on them. And also, the reason for doing this is these cams are hollow, and so if you just set it down there and just start torquing without looking at nothing, there's a good chance you can just crack the cam in half. So what you want to do is just start turning these just a quarter turn at a time. I can feel that the valves are coming out. Alright, that's it. From that point, just put the rest of your caps on. get to this point, gonna check your specs. I think these are 11 foot-pounds, so I'll do that shortly, but just want to turn the everything feels good. And that's it, guys. Of course, just do the same thing on the other side. And I think that's going to be it for this video. If you want to just follow along, I guess the next one I'll be putting this in the car and seeing if we can get her running. See you next time.